Can you or your customers afford to risk everything on the serious problems associated with not controlling flies in your place of business? Why are we even concerned about flies? To begin with, flies are one of the filthiest insects on the planet. They spend most of their time breeding and searching for food. Flies are in constant contact with decaying material, food particles, or garbage. Flies are known to carry such diseases as E. coli, salmonella, and dysentery. Paraclips takes the risk out of fly control. We have been producing fly traps for the commercial industry since 1993. Paraclips products have consistently been the leaders in the industry for controlling flies in restaurants, delis, supermarkets, hospitals, and any other areas where food is being processed, prepared, or consumed. Health departments throughout the United States have become more and more aware of the problems flies can cause. Therefore, they have taken harsher steps in having food processing areas avoid potential fly problems within facilities such as hospitals, restaurants, and factories. The Paraclips line of insect control products have been developed over the past 11 years with the specific purpose of helping your customers rid themselves of this terrible insect, making their place of business cleaner, healthier, and more profitable. Insect-In Ultra decorative units have been installed in the public areas of this restaurant, and the Paraclips Terminator has been installed in the kitchen. These units have effectively eliminated the fly problem. Here is where all the flies are. The Insect-In Ultra comes in two models: the Insect-In Ultra 1, which is a single lamp unit, and the Insect-In Ultra 2, a two-lamp unit which draws flies from a further distance. Both Insect-In Ultras are decorative and designed to be used in public areas. The unique design of this product allows you to place the trap right where the problem is without anyone even knowing they're there. To customers, it looks like a decorative wall sconce. All of our insect traps utilize ultraviolet light as the initial attractant to pull flies into the trap. These ultraviolet lamps utilize a precise frequency range of ultraviolet light that is specifically designed to attract flies. To maintain the correct ultraviolet light level, the lamp should be changed every 7 months in most climates of the world. Although the light still appears to be working, it will not be putting out the level of ultraviolet light which attracts flies if the ultraviolet lamp is not replaced as recommended. Changing the lamp is easy. Unplug the unit from the electrical outlet, remove the cover, and remove and discard the lamp, and replace it with the new one. Paraclips has engineered this unit top, which directs the ultraviolet light out and down into the room right where the flies are. As a result, flies are more likely to see the attracting light and be drawn into the trap. When it comes to fly control, you need a winner. Paraclips' revolutionary auto-advancing cartridge system is the best. Flies in a trap versus flies in your place of business are like money in the bank. Our cartridge system simply catches more flies. When you compare the number of flies caught in a competitor's glue board to the total number of flies caught by our new 60-day cartridge system, you can easily see why the Paraclips auto-advancing cartridge system is a far superior product. Paraclips has invented and patented this new auto-advancing cartridge system. A small motor within the main unit drives the cartridge. This slow-moving motor advances the catch surface 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for 60 days. Paraclips is the only company to offer this unique auto-advancing fly collection system. The Paraclips auto-advancing cartridge sits directly beneath the ultraviolet lamp. This placement improves the fly catch. Paraclips has blended sex pheromones and food scents right into the glue used on our trapping surface. In doing so, the fly's basic feeding and reproduction instincts are triggered. Fly decoys imprinted on the cartridge catch surface add to the trap's effectiveness. The combination of attractants and decoys on our unique trapping surface gives the Paraclips fly control systems a powerful and far superior trapping capability. As flying insects become trapped, the motorized mechanism carries flies into the take-up reel of the cartridge. This action is constantly, quietly, and safely encapsulating the trapped flies and continually presenting a fresh adhesive surface and attractant. This fresh catch surface also prevents the surface from becoming contaminated by airborne particles of dust or grease, thereby leaving the trap ineffective. Unlike competitive fly traps, with a Paraclips trap, you do not have to worry that your trap is all dried up. When the cartridge has expired, all of the collected insects have been safely encapsulated within the cartridge, so you never have to handle a messy, unsanitary board. The Insect In Ultra cartridge lasts for 60 days, has a tremendous catch capacity, and when the cartridge has expired, a small photocell triggers a low-volume alarm to alert you that the cartridge needs replacing. Replacement of the cartridge takes only a moment or two. All you do is remove the cover, pull out the old cartridge, dispose of it, place a new cartridge in the unit, and manually advance the paper until fresh glue and attractants cover the catch area. Replace the cover, and you are now all set for another 60 days of worry-free fly control. The Insect In Ultra is the product of choice for use in public areas. Use it in a restaurant, convenience store, deli, or anywhere you have a fly problem. There are no pesticides or harmful chemicals. The unit meets all USDA and FDA guidelines, and there is no zap with insect body parts flying around the room. The Insect In Ultra is safe and sanitary. The Paraclips Terminator is designed for commercial and industrial applications. The Terminator is open on both sides and has 2 lamps and special booster reflectors to direct the light out into the room. The Terminator also utilizes our exclusive patented auto-advancing cartridge system. It also has the printed fly decoys, as well as a food scent and sex pheromone in the glue. This cartridge has the amazing ability to attract and catch over 4,000 flies. A Terminator cartridge has up to 10 times the capacity of commercial glue boards. The unit can be hung from the ceiling with the chains and hooks provided, or sit on a countertop. Because of its portability, it is easy to pick up the Terminator by the recessed handle and move it to another area. Many restaurants utilize the Terminator in their kitchen areas during business hours and move it to another area after hours. The Terminator also has the end of cartridge alarm. Replacing the cartridge is simple, safe, and sanitary. You will never have to handle a messy, unsanitary glue board again. The Paraclips Terminator is the product of choice for restaurant kitchens, food processing areas, warehouses, storage rooms, etc. The Paraclips Fly Patrol is another decorative unit that can help to eliminate fly problems in homes and restaurants. The Fly Patrol utilizes the same basic principles as our Insect In Ultra units. However, it is smaller and more portable. The Fly Patrol can be mounted on the wall as a wall sconce, or the stand that comes with it allows you to move the unit to any room in the home where a fly problem exists. The Fly Patrol was developed for use primarily in the home. However, it is an excellent product for the office and light commercial applications such as small restaurant areas. The Fly Patrol also uses the exclusive patented auto-advancing cartridge system. Once the flies touch the glue, they are there to stay. The unit constantly brings up fresh glue and attractants 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The motorized cartridge advances the flies into the take-up reel at the end of the cartridge. After 30 days, once the paper has expired, a low-volume alarm alerts you that the cartridge needs to be replaced. The Paraclips Fly Patrol is the product for the home. It is an unobtrusive, decorative unit that can be permanent or portable. It is capable of collecting hundreds of flying insects and uses no zap, chemicals, or pesticides. It is safe, simple, and sanitary. Whether you need a decorative unit for use in a commercial or home application, or a heavy-duty unit that you need in the kitchen or warehouse, we have the product to fit your needs. Our patented auto-advancing cartridge system gives you a product that you can set and forget. The Ultra and Terminator cartridge lasts for 60 days, and the Fly Patrol cartridge lasts for 30 days. Flies are encapsulated in the end of the cartridge, so you never have to handle an unsanitary glue board again. What's at stake? Whether the application is commercial or residential, Paraclips has what you need. Factories, restaurants, and homes can now be cleaner, safer, and healthier with the patented Paraclips cartridges and one of our fine trapping systems. Install Paraclips traps today and stop gambling with fly control.